In this first clip, you'll see a very faint energy burst anomaly at the very bottom of the pillar. We'll slow it down here, show you again. Look at the very bottom corner of the pillar. And there it goes. And we'll do it one more time, slow again. Very bottom corner of the pillar going towards the hose, very faint. There you go. In this next clip, we capture a very strange anomaly flying from right to left. Watch, there it goes, like a rocket. Now we'll slow it down for you a little bit, and you'll notice that about mid-screen, it actually vaporizes. There it goes, and we'll slow it down one more time, and watch about mid-screen where it actually vaporizes. We've ruled this out as being a bug or a flying insect because an insect would actually reflect the infrared light for the whole time and you could see its wings flap, but this thing actually vaporizes. Pay close attention. You can see how it actually disappeared about mid-lens. Here we go, and there it vaporizes. Now these next clips are stills. And you can see when it comes into the view of the camera, it's very bright. Plus notice that it has these two ridges on it. You'll see this in another thing that we capture later on. And there it's starting to vaporize as it gets further away from the camera, but you still see the two ridges. There you can clearly see through it. And by the third one, it's almost completely gone. Now notice in one of the things that we capture in this next frame that it has the same characteristics. It's going to fly from right to left. It's also very transparent, but it doesn't vaporize, and it has those two same ridges on it. Watch carefully. There it goes. We're going to slow it down a little bit. There it goes. Notice it still has the ridges, and we'll slow it down to about 5% of its actual speed. You'll also notice that while it's going across, it's also transparent. You can see things through it. Again, that reduces the likelihood that it's a bug or an insect. Here's a still frame of it coming into the camera screen, and you can see it still has those characteristic two ridges on it. This is another one, and then finally it gets in front of the pillar. Now I want you to pay careful attention and notice that it's actually transparent as it's flying in front of the pillar. Again, you can see the two ridges, and it's transparent as it flies in front of the pipe. Here's another view of it going by slowly. We have absolutely no explanation for these two anomalies.